Good morning. I'm here with Alejandra, and Alejandra
Hi.
is our in-house expert on Notion and modifying Notion for small businesses to meet their needs. And Alejandra, I wonder if you could tell us some of the projects that you've done in the past that for small businesses.
Yeah, right now the most important ones that I made, first of all, was a advertising agency. So I organized all their tasks and tickets by departments. That was the main focus of that. And also organize all their clients in a database as kind of a CRM, but just for existing clients with all the info they needed. And all the tasks with all the, sometimes some tasks were recurrent, other tasks were just created by hand. Okay. And then I create a Notion setup for a interior design studio where they have the projects, the task for each project, and the project is automatically created when the client fills out a form. And last but not least is the gym that I'm working on right now. Again, I created a CRM for their clients, the SOP database where they are going to store all the SOPs divided by category for them to train their new staff when they need it.
And what industry is this current client in?
Oh, they are in the martial arts.
Okay, so they're
and they have a couple of gyms.
With multiple locations.
Yeah, they have multiple locations.
Got it. Okay. Oh, very good. And can you give us an idea of what else that you haven't mentioned already, what else you can do for small businesses within Notion?
Yeah, Notion, as I usually mention, is a project management system. So I can make anything that you need to manage your team and your processes. I'm super involved in the processes of the business and also in the team management. So we can have like schedules, like task management, ticket management, and a lot of other stuff. And it's also important to know that I know how to use Zapier and Go High Level, so we can integrate Zapier and also Slack. So we can integrate like reminders for recurrent tasks, small automations for you to make your life easier in your business and in your processes.
That's a good point. So you're very proficient at Go High Level and Zapier as well to integrate those with Notion. I see. Right. And something you mentioned caught my attention. You said you're very involved in the process. So you have the ability now with the experience that you have to go into a business, have them explain how they do things and perhaps what their problems are. And then you can advise them, all right, if we structure things this way, we can solve those problems. Is that your approach?
Yes, I'm also a project manager. Well, I'm first a civil engineer, and in our field, we are like
You're what? I'm sorry, say that again, please. You're what kind of engineer?
I'm a civil engineer, and I also made I also have a diploma on project management. So I know a lot about management and how to start making processes in small businesses. You know, like when you have a mess and everyone is doing a little bit of everything, I go there and I separate them by departments, by responsibilities, and I help the team to start doing what they need to do in order to make the business grow.
Very good. So you can take that analytical engineering type thought process and apply it to their business and give them structure and organization to their business.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
Perfect. Outstanding. Very, very good. Well, I know the current client that you're working with through us is very excited about what you're accomplishing and looking forward to that project finished. So, all right. Well, Alejandra, thank you for your time this morning.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you.